Hi guys. So if you're looking for an AI-based tool to assist with legal research, I have the perfect tool for you. It's a tool developed by Paxton AI, and I just want to show you how it works and all the possibilities of the software so far. So what you can do with Paxton Legal AI, and I'll show you, is all the things it has on its dashboard listed on the left-hand side here. So it's laid out beautifully, and it explains pretty much everything on the how-to section. If you're looking for additional resources or you want to chat with somebody on support, you can also get further information. But basically, everything's laid out in this section. So the first thing you can do, obviously, is legal research. And so when you click here on the laws and regulations, it keeps up to date with all the latest regulations, laws that are applicable to all the states in the United States. So let's say you want to research a specific thing. All you have to do is type your query in this section. So similar to the way you would use ChatGPT, you would use the query section in the exact same way. So the way the AI is trained is such that it has a comprehensive knowledge base that covers all the regulations, statutes, legal documents. And so you can draft pretty much any document. So we're going to ask a simple question, right? So I can show you what the research tool can do. So let's say we want to ask, what does the California code say about the service of documents? So the first thing you do is you click source. And let's say you want to go to California, or this is basically wherever you are practicing. Let's just try California. If I can find it. There we go. So let's just click California codes. Scroll down. Right. So let's say, what does the California code say about service documents? Right. Then you submit your question here. Here we go. So we receive our answer. It will give you a detailed answer and also cited sources for you. So instead of you going through all the documents and trying to cite your information, it gives you accurate information. Obviously, it improves efficiency of your firm and it's accurate information. So it's not like it's Googled information. It lists all its sources. And then what it also does, which I think is pretty cool, is it gives you follow-up questions. And the worst thing we all know about research is coming back to a situation and thinking of a new scenario or thinking of other follow-up questions that you may have. It will automatically generate those and produce an answer with sources. So here are the references. And so you can really take advantage of this research system in that it's really comprehensive. It's different to other systems where you get a general answer without any cited information, and then you have to go through the citations yourself, looking for the relevant information, and then follow-up questions and things like that. So it's really comprehensive. Then the second thing you can do is drafting. So in this section here, say you're not asking a question, you can also ask it to draft something. So you can draft pretty much any legal document. That includes memos, your training materials, policies, procedures, briefs, motions, basically any other document you want. And you can ask further questions based on those documents you've generated. So you can draft a memo about, say, the service of documents. So say you've just asked a question here, the same question, you can draft a memo to submit to maybe your supervising attorney or whoever it is, and you can submit a draft of that. Or you can summarize the information that you're given, right? So similar to what you would do with ChatGPT, you can also summarize information in documents. Now, third thing is you can go down to the case law section. So under this case law section, you can pretty much search information based on a variety of different fields and pretty much any case law related question you have. So in this section, you could ask, for example, what does the state of X say about euthanasia or whatever situation you have. So I had searched, is euthanasia legal? So it will give you an answer based on the provided cases or whatever cases you're asking about. You can ask about a specific case, or if you are not sure, it will provide you relevant cases. So look down here it'll give you specific cases that are relevant to the state and to the field that you've that you've asked, basically. So that's another section that you really want to check out. Or if you just simply want to ask a few questions based on case law, you can do that, and it will give you the cases that support your answer. So next thing is how courts have defined certain topics. So you could also ask certain topics and say, how have cases in this area been dealt with? How have they been applied? And you can also summarize all that information into a brief. Next thing is this SEC Edgar section. I'm not too sure. I don't do work in the SEC realm, so maybe you could check that out and let me know what you think. And then the next thing is analyzing files and videos. So I think this is quite unique. Most AI software don't have this feature. So you upload your videos and you upload your files. And when you've uploaded a video, you can ask for it to summarize those videos. So let's say you have a video that you've uploaded and you want to ask questions based on that video. You can ask questions. It can write you a detailed summary of what was happening in that video. You can compare that video to other videos. You can also compare files. So if you upload files here, you can also compare files. Now it's different to say the compare feature on Microsoft Word, in that you can only compare the two documents you have. But with this software, what you can actually do is ask questions and engage with those comparisons. So let's say you have two documents and you want to compare something. You can ask further questions and say, okay, based on the differences, can you summarize this? Or can you answer this question based on these summaries? How does this apply to X policies we have, whatever it is? So you can really engage with the documents in a way that you can't with Microsoft compare feature. Then you can basically fill out forms. I tried filling out a form here. And so what I did was, first I uploaded an SEC Form C, and I asked it what key information would I need from my clients to fill out this form. So I've collected this information, sent it out to my clients. They fill out the information, and then I ask Paxton AI to draft the form for me. So that's also interesting. And there's a dedicated feature for the compare document, so you don't just have to use this section here on analyzing files and videos. And then there's the Boolean composer. Now, I remember having this conversation with another attorney who studied a while back, and they had to use Boolean as a way of doing their legal research. So for us, we just search via prompts and questions. But if you like and you still want to use that system, the section here can help you compose Boolean strings that you can search on West Legal and LexisNexis if you like that. Or you can also use the prompt query section, which I like. So guys, I hope you check this out. I think it's a really cool software. It's the best legal research software I've seen so far. I mean, it's beautiful, simple to use dashboard, and it has a dedicated chat support. So if you have any further questions, you could drop them in the comment section. Thanks, guys.